Hello, everyone, and welcome to another tip of the week. Today, my tip is more of an inspirational thought than a sales tip. You know, there's an old saying when it comes to learning, and that is, if you are the smartest person in the room, then you're in the wrong room. And now I'd like to share with you a philosophy that I have about learning and about my business and my career. And that is this, that once I think I know it all, I'm going to quit and start a new career. Why? Because once you know it all, this business is no longer any fun. And you all know that I like to have fun. So my tip for today is simple. Don't be a know-it-all. Keep learning, keep growing, and getting better at your skill sets. Train like a professional athlete, and you will win the big game. Be a sponge. Absorb everything you can. Sometimes learning makes you think. Many of my best ideas and thoughts are sparked in my mind when I hear something unique from someone else, and it just makes me think. There's only one thing and one thing only that separates you from good and great, and that is your ability to learn, train, and perfect what you do for a living. So again, my tip for today is don't be a know-it-all.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.